So here we go, part one. Neighbor's doing his concrete, and the boys are working hard. So they're trying to level out the ground to 3.5 inches. So that way the thickness of the concrete is just right. They removed all the dirt and rocks and stuff. There you go. Putting in the stakes, and then he ties a string from, see what he's doing? There's a string line. So he's gonna move that string line from stake to stake. Right now, see how he's got it? You can see it. So he's got it there, there, and there. And so that's how you level out the ground, in case you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.